Hey guys, it's Honesty. Happy 2022. It's the year 2022. So happy new year to you guys. Happy new year. Happy new year to all my viewers, all my subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for sticking with me all this time. Appreciate it. You know, this year I wish you guys all the blessings that's to come. I just hope you guys stay focused on your goals, your aspirations, like anything that you guys have written down for this year. I really hope it comes through for you guys. So yeah, tonight guys, I am heading to a live music. It's at 22 Jerk. I don't remember the name of it. I think it's Jam something, but of course I'll add their Instagram down below, guys, because this is why I'm here, is to show you guys what's available in Kingston. Like, there's so many stuff that you guys can do, and as it relates to like live music, I live for live music. I like to do chill stuff, you know. I like to do chill stuff, so that's what I'm into. And I thought that why not show you guys what you can expect in Kingston. Even if you live in Kingston, or you're out of town, or you're a tourist, like, you don't necessarily need to go to Ocherias or Mabay only, if you get what I'm saying. Like, there's so many stuff to do in Kingston, and that is why I'm here. This is what this channel is about, to show you guys what you can expect in Jamaica, what you guys can expect in Kingston, where to go, you know. So that's why I'm here, to bring you guys all that information. So yeah, we're gonna head there to live music. So I really, guys, hope you enjoy this. After the live music, I may go to Jangas. Like, you guys have heard me spoke about Jangas before. Like, it's a nice vibe there. So yeah, I may head there. It's not Corona, guys. So I may head there after. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you when I get there. So y'all, the vibe was lit. The vibe was right, and I really had a great time. That band is so good, and it was so entertaining. So if you guys are down for this vibe, just check out their Instagram. The Jam is back. All right, and you guys will be able to see all the updates. It looks as if like it's an every Saturday thing, but I can't confirm. But you know what, check out their Instagram, and then you can keep updated. Also, they had a surprise artist by the name of Sirani, so that was a pretty good vibe. So guys, I'm on my way to Jangas right now, so I'll see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö på det baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Du gav mig life villa yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på